Hi, I'm Patrick Count, Head of Computer Science at St Eleanor's Catholic School. We teach the A-level Computer Science from the OCR specification. You'll study logic gates, you'll study binary mathematics, but you'll also study floating point mathematics. You'll study how you can apply multiple logic gates together and then simplify them down again. You'll learn about the insides of a computer, just like you did at GCSE, but you'll learn more about what actually makes them tick, how they actually work.
I chose to study computer science because the problem-solving elements of it are unique to the subject. I think that you really get to understand what you're talking about, and instead of having to memorize certain parts and components, you're actually understanding their role within a computer.
I love teaching computer science. It allows the classes to really get into some detail with the more advanced aspects of our course. Students have a passion and the class likes to bounce ideas off each other, and we go at a real pace to get to the exciting, detailed parts of our subject.
I decided to take Computer Science A-level because I really wanted to go into the cybersecurity industry. One of the most valuable skills I've learned from doing this course is definitely my coding skills. They've increased vastly since I started.
One challenge that students face at A-level is the diverse range of skills they're required to have for the course. They'll need to be strong mathematicians, they'll need to be interested in coding, and they'll need to love computers. In my class, students often work on projects which require them to apply knowledge from quite complex mathematical concepts to actual algorithms that they implement themselves in the computer.
Compared to GCSE, A-level computer science really dives into the concepts within the theories of computer science. So that means that less base level understanding and more really getting into each topic and understanding the details of it. One of the most valuable skills I gained from this course was probably to do with computational thinking. So that's the process of breaking down a problem and removing unnecessary information.
The A-level course includes a large project which will go towards your final grade. You can choose what you want to do with that project. Students have done all kinds of interesting data science, data analytics, games. They developed programs to solve specific problems for a specific client, their parents or relatives, or solve with the school.
I've decided to do my project as a password manager. A couple features include using two-factor authentication. I've also included some encryption and a way of users testing how secure their passwords are.
I love teaching computer science A-level. One of my favourite things is when students start to show me new and interesting things that they've discovered independently, and they've learned these skills in class, they've gone to apply them at home, they've learned even more. They brought that back, and amongst some very quite competitive peers, they brought on this fantastic, exciting new thing that we're all learning together. And that's just an amazing experience.